Hello, this is Ham Donishman, and thank you for joining me for another session of Verasys video training. And today I'm actually going to be talking about one of our new features that will be part of the next release, Verasys 2.0. We took this opportunity to go ahead and show you that new release, or new feature I should say, and this new feature is called Spaces. This release will be available in September timeframe of this year, of 2017, not too far away. And this is one of the features that we felt it was important to show and have the extra functionality when it comes to a light commercial space and have the information all available within one page. So I'm going to go ahead and log in to our demo site, which has the latest software running, and show you this new feature. So I'm logging into the system, and look at that, I put my wrong password into this, and that's okay. So that's a good way you could see that if you put a wrong password in, you get the message that you put in the wrong password. So we're logging in to this system, and with Verasys 2.0, the first thing it will pop up is the spaces. And what you're seeing right now is this space functionality. And the way this works is the system automatically recognizes if you have a single zone rooftop or if you have a zoning system, it understands and how to convert those particular devices into a space. And what that means is that you have in a space and you have a description for that space. That space has a capability to be satisfied or being cooling or being heating, and it's got a schedule associated with it, and it's got a temperature, and then you have a way that you could change the set point. That's really what a space shows. Again, this is a demo site, and you're actually seeing temperatures in 25 degrees, 26 degrees, and we do have our European friends have logged into the system and changed the basically our enum sets or engineering units into centigrades instead of Fahrenheit. So that's why you see these numbers in that fashion. But I could change that real quick. This could be another part of this video. So I'm going to go into my system settings, and I'm going to change my unit set to IP. I'm going to save that. And so what that does now basically tells all the equipment and all the devices that are part of the system switch over to an IP. So it's more of a global command. I don't have to obviously go into every single system to do this, and as you can see that they're all changed to Fahrenheit. So from a spaces perspective, one page that gives you a high-level view of everything, what's going on with the system. So we do have a name, description of the space itself. We show the temperature. The color of the circle here does change based on satisfied, based on being heating or cooling. So in this case, this particular space is cooling, and hopefully you can see this, but this has changed to blue, and we do have occupancy. So if this space was heating, this icon will change to heat, or if it was unoccupied, you actually get a X over the little person here, and then you will see unoccupied here. Now you could expand this screen, and when you expand it, you will get a bigger circle. It gives you a system mode, and it gives you the temperature and the status of the system, again with the icon, what it's doing. And if you do want to change the set point, override the set point here, you will have capability to do that. So if I want to change it and raise the heat, and what it's going to do is going to change that set point, and it's going to send it down to the controller that we are now wanting to change we want to heat to 76 degrees. I want to see if I could force this into heating just to see if the icon will change. Again, this is a demo site, so I'm not sure exactly what it's going to do right away. So it did change to satisfied right away, so it's got some logic, and hopefully it'll change pretty soon to a different mode. You could open up multiple screens. As you can see, it did change the heating, and the one that I wanted to go heating. So you could open up multiple pages and see the different view if you wanted to open up all of them. So this is really the new spaces. We still have our device page as we have in Verasys 1.0. So one other thing I didn't show with the spaces is that they are equipment relationship right here. This is actually a part of the zoning system. So I do have the zone control, zone damper association of this equipment, and I also have the rooftop that are associated with this zoning system. So if I click on the rooftop, it takes me to the rooftop page, and it's telling me what the rooftop is doing, and that's part of the rooftop association. And if I go back to my spaces again and click on the zone damper itself, and then you will see the actual home page of the zone damper. So this is the new functionality that we have, that we can go back and forth between the devices and between the spaces by just clicking on the relationship and the length that we have created. Hope this helps, and this is again a new feature, part of release 2.0, and it's coming out September of 2017. Hopefully you will see that at that time, and this concludes my video for today, and thanks for joining me. Thank you very much.